All right, welcome. This is an introduction to equations. Again, maybe this is something you have or have not seen before. But what is an equation? So an equation states that two expressions are equal to each other by using an equal sign. So for example, let's say we had 4 plus 7 equals 13 minus 2. This here is an equation. It states that these two expressions are equal to each other, and what we're going to want to do is just simplify both sides of this equation. So over here, we call this the left side of the equation, and then to the right, this here is my right side of the equation. So what we'll do here is just simplify both sides of the equation. Once we've simplified it all the way down, if we have the same number on the left as we do on the right, then we know that the equation is going to be true. So again, let's just start off. All right, 4 plus 7 equals 13 minus 2. And I just like to go right down, keep the left side underneath the left side. So 4 plus 7, well, I know that's 11. And then 13 minus 2, I know that is also 11. So we get 11 is equal to 11. So yes, this is a true equation because the expression on the left side, 4 plus 7, is equal to the expression on the right side, 13 minus 2. All right, so let's just do a quick example of, is the following equation true or false? So we're going to do the same thing where we're just going to simplify the left side, simplify the right side. If we get the same thing on both sides, then the equation is true. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 times 5 minus 4. Well, the left side is going to be really easy for us to simplify. 6 minus 3 is just 3. The right side, we're going to start by doing the parentheses. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So we'll have 3 times 1. And 3 times 1 is also 3. So this checks out. This is a true equation. Over on the right side now with B, we have 4 minus 3 times 6 minus 8 equals 6 divided by 2 times 4. So let's start by simplifying the whole left side. So 4 minus 3 times, okay, here's my parentheses. This is the first thing I need to do. 6 minus 8 is a negative 2. I'll keep that in parentheses because it's a negative number. Now I have 3 times a negative 2. So 3 times a negative 2 is negative 6. Again, because it's a negative, I'll keep it in parentheses. And then 4 minus a negative 6, well, this is where I have 2 negatives makes a positive. So 4 plus 6 gives me 10 on the left side. Let's see now with the right side. 6 divided by 2 times 4. So remember multiplication and division. We just go left to right if that's all we have. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So then we have 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So is 10 equal to 12? No, it's definitely not equal to 12. So this equation here is false because the expression on the left side was not equal to the expression on the right side.